minus cosecant theta into 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta which is equal to 2. Now take LHS side. So LHS side is, so what is LHS side? 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta into 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta, 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta. Now how to prove this one? Is it possible to apply identity? Is it possible? No. Here it is cot, identity is cot square. Cosecant, identity is cosecant square, right? So 1 plus tan square is equal to secant square. So 1 plus cot square is equal to cosecant square, right? So again here tan and here it is secant. So that means we can't use identity, right? Now next method is rationalization. Is it possible here? No. Why it is not? There is no numerator by denominator, right? Now how to simplify this? Write this cot and cosecant in terms of sin and cos. That is definition of cot, definition of cosecant. So that is equal to 1 plus cot definition is what? Cos theta divided by sin theta. Cos theta divided by sin theta minus cosecant theta is what? 1 divided by sin theta, right? Yes. Into 1 plus, again use definition of tan theta. Tan theta is what? Sin theta divided by cos theta plus secant theta is what? 1 divided by cos theta. Secant theta is 1 divided by cos theta. Now how to simplify this? Here it is 1 plus cos divided by sin. Numerator divided by denominator. Numerator divided by denominator means taking LCM. So 1 I will write it as 1 divided by 1. Now what is the LCM of 1 sin theta sin theta? So what is the LCM of 1 sin theta sin theta? I'll write here a rough work. So now LCM of 1 sin theta and sin theta, right? So how to find out? I will compare with number LCM of 1, 2, 2. Suppose. So 1, same, and this is also same. What is the LCM? LCM of this is 2, right? 2 and 2 common factor is 2. So 1, 2 ones are 2 ones. So means LCM is 2 into 1 into 1 into 1. So it is equal to 2, right? LCM of 1, 2, 2 is how much here? 2. Yeah. Similarly, the LCM of 1, sin theta is what? It is sin theta. LCM of 1, 100 is what? 100. Yes. Now LCM is sin theta. LCM is sin theta. Now next, 1 how much is sin theta? 1 sin theta into sin theta is sin theta, right? Sin theta how much is sin theta? It is 1 time. Sin theta is how much sin theta? It is 1 time, right? So 1 into sin theta is sin theta plus cos theta into 1 is cos theta. Next minus 1 into 1 is 1 into, now again here 1 means it is 1 by 1, right? Sin theta divided 1 by 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta plus 1 divided by cos theta. Again LCM of what? 1 cos theta. So LCM is what? Cos theta. LCM is cos theta. 1 how much is cos theta? 1 into cos theta is cos theta. Cos theta how much is cos theta? Cos theta once. Cos theta how much is cos theta? Cos theta once, right? So 1 into cos theta is cos theta plus sin theta into 1 is sin theta plus 1, right? Yes. Now how to simplify this one? This is equal to, so how we are reading this? Sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta into, right? This is multiplication into cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 divided by cos theta. That means this bracket multiplication this bracket. But if you multiply like this, then it is complicated, right? How to multiply this? I'll write this like sin theta plus cos theta. See the term. First bracket sin theta, second bracket also plus sin theta. First bracket is cos theta, second bracket is plus cos theta. Here first bracket is minus 1, second bracket is plus 1. Try to understand this. I will write this one as it is minus 1. Understood this? Say I'll combine sin theta plus cos theta together. Minus 1 I'll give as it is, and I'll put bracket. This bracket is of this one. Clear? See here, sin theta, this is important for 4 marks or 3 marks. Say sin theta plus cos theta, sin theta plus cos theta. Say here is 1, but this is minus 1, this is plus 1. Only sign is changed here, right? So now I will combine sin theta plus cos theta, I will write together, and minus 1. Sin theta plus cos theta minus 1, and this bracket is of this one. Clear? Now one more, this one. So which one to combine? Cos theta plus sin theta. Otherwise I will write here sin theta plus cos theta. This as together plus 1 and close the second bracket. Cos sin theta plus cos theta as 1, that means combine, plus 1 and this close bracket whole divided by sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. Clear? Now it looks like, see this bracket, this is 1 and this is 1. And here it is minus, here it is plus. Now tell me which formula you can use. So this is same, this also same, but here is minus, here is plus. So that means which formula we can use? Yes, by using. Yes, tell me which formula? Using a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So now for this apply. So what we'll get here? It is equal to, it is equal to what? Sin theta plus cos theta whole square, a square minus b square is 1 square divided by sin theta into cos theta. Understood this? Again I will repeat here. Write this. Use the definition of cot and cosecant, tan and secant. Now take LCM. Now after taking LCM, so combine these two, sin theta plus cos theta, cos theta plus sin theta. Sin theta plus cos theta plus sin theta, both are same. And here minus 1 and minus 1. So it looks like a minus b, a plus b. So divided. So we can use which formula? A square minus b square. A square minus b square. So sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1 square. So now next that is equal to. What we need answer? Answer is equal to 2. Means further you have to simplify this one. How to simplify first bracket? Sin theta plus cos theta whole square. As now which formula to use? Using a square plus, using a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So use that formula. So a plus b whole square. It is a square sin square theta plus 2 into a sin theta into cos theta plus cos square theta minus 1 square means 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. So that is equal to, now here you can use one identity. Which identity? So if you combine sin square plus cos square, sin square theta plus cos square theta, next plus 2 sin theta, just I rearrange. Here I combine this cos square with the sin square. 2 sin theta into cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta is how much here? 1, right? So plus 2 sin theta into cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta. So minus 1 plus 1 cancels. What is left here? 2 sin theta into cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta, denominator sin theta, cos theta, denominator cos theta, get cancels. What is left here? Sin theta, cos theta, get cancelled. That is equal to 2, which is equal to RHS side. So therefore, LHS side is equal to RHS side. So therefore, conclusion, 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta into 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta, which is equal to 2. So now here using which formula I use? Using sin square theta plus cot square. Sorry, cos square theta, that is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is equal to 1. Next question. Prove that square root of secant square theta plus cosecant square theta, which is equal to tan theta plus cot theta. So now what is our LHS side? LHS side square root of secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. Square root of secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. See the answer. Answer is tan theta and cot theta. Try to change this secant and cosecant square to tan and cot. Is it possible? Yeah. How to simplify this one? First is identity. Is it possible to use identity? Secant square theta. Do you have secant square theta is equal to from your formula list? Yes. So we have using secant square theta is equal to, what is the secant square theta? 1 plus tan square theta. So now secant is converted to tan. Tan square or tan, it is under square root. You can remove that square and square root. So now next cosecant square theta. Search from your formula list. Do you have cosecant square theta is equal to? Yes, it is 1 plus cot square theta, right? So now substitute. Therefore, square root of secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. Secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. Yes, the secant square is what? Substitution. 1 plus tan square theta plus cosecant is 1 plus cot square theta. Now try to combine the like terms. 1 plus tan square theta plus 1 cot square theta. Plus 1 plus 1 is how much here? Plus 2. Plus 2 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. Similar type of question we simplified in your previous class. So now how to simplify this? I need tan theta plus cot theta. See, I do some simplification, I do some changes here. So that is under square. I will write tan square first. Tan square theta. Next plus cot square theta. Right? Plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. What is left here? 2. That is plus 2. This 2 I will write it as 2 into tan theta into cot theta. Is it possible? Yes. Why it is possible? 2 into tan theta into cot theta. What is the value of that? It is equal to 1. So therefore using tan theta into cot theta, which is equal to 1 formula, right? So because I need here tan theta plus cot theta, so here it is like plus 2ab plus b square. So a square plus b square plus 2. I need a into b. Which is a? A is tan theta, b is what? Cot theta. So 2 into a into b. So tan theta into cot theta, answer is 1. So this is equal to, otherwise before that I write one more step here. That is equal to this one, tan square theta plus 2 means it is 2 into 1 plus cot square theta. So that is equal to square root of tan square theta plus 2 tan theta into cot theta plus cot square theta. So because it is using your formula tan theta into cot theta, which is equal to 1. So now it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square plus a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is equal to what? A plus b whole square. So that means tan theta plus cot theta whole square. Now square and square root cancels. What is left here? Tan theta plus cot theta. Is this equal to RHS side? Yes, which is equal to RHS side. So now which formula we use? Using formula, it is a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So which is equal to RHS side. Therefore LHS side is equal to RHS side. Therefore write the conclusion. Conclusion is what? Therefore square root of secant square theta plus cosecant square theta, which is equal to tan theta plus cot theta. Clear this? So just see here from here 2 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. So now remember this. So here 2 I will write as 2 into 1. Okay. So because I need tan theta plus cot theta, it looks like a square plus b square plus 2ab. I need ab. So that is 1. 1 means tan theta into cot theta. So this step I am rewriting as in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square is a plus b whole square. Square and square root cancel, that is equal to 1. Next, I will give similar type question here. This also I explained in previous class. Suppose it is sin square theta plus 2 plus cosecant square theta. What will be your further simplification and tell me what is your answer? Answer is sin theta plus cosecant theta, right? So how it is? That is equal. How we can simplify this further? How to remove this square root? It is sin square theta plus 2 into 1 plus cosecant square theta, right? So that is equal to square root of sin square theta plus 2 into 1 means what? Sin and cosecant. That means sin theta into cosecant theta plus cosecant square theta. Is it right or wrong? So 2 sin theta into cosecant theta is 1. So this is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is equal to a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means square root of sin theta plus cosecant theta whole square. Square and square root cancels, which is equal to sin theta plus cosecant theta. Suppose if your question is like this, secant square theta plus 2, try to understand, only these three forms will get. So just remember tan square cot square 2. So try to write in this form. If it is sin square plus 2 cosecant square, same way by using formula. Suppose if it is like this, it is secant square theta, yes, 2 plus what? this type is important. LHS are equal to RHS. It is very important for 3 marks. Mark the important questions. Next question. Prove that secant A into 1 minus sin A into multiplication. Okay, secant A plus tan A which is equal to 1. See, secant A into this bracket into second bracket. Now take your LHS side. So LHS side is what here? Secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A, right? Here. Now how to simplify this? First way is identity, right? So you have to check whether identity is possible. Identity it is possible. Secant A, no, because identity is secant square. 1 minus sin A, but we have identity 1 minus sin square A. Sin square A, no, here not possible. This is secant A, this is tan A. Not possible to apply identity formula, right? So if it is not possible to apply identity formula, next to go for rationalization or LCM. Is it possible to get your rationalization? No, because there is no numerator and denominator. If it is not possible to apply rationalization or LCM, next use definition of secant theta, sin theta, secant theta, tan theta. Yes, now what is the secant theta is 1 divided by cos theta, not theta. Here angle is different, EA. So you should replace whatever angle is given. Suppose here theta is given, replace theta angle. Here it is given A, so 1 divided by cos A into 1 minus sin A. We don't have any formula for sin A, right? Yeah, 1 minus sin A as it is into. Now secant theta. Again how to write this? 1 divided by cos A plus tan A is what? Sin TA divided by cos A. Definitions of sin A, secant A, tan A and secant A. Sin A as it is. Clear this? Now next how to simplify this is, see so 1 into first bracket. Everything is multiplication. 1 into first bracket is same, that is 1 minus sin A first bracket divided by cos A, right? 1 into 1 minus sin A means it is 1 minus sin A divided by cos A into, now this one. How to simplify this? This is like numerator divided by denominator, numerator by denominator. Means which method to apply? LCM, right? So denominator is what? Cos A means the same. So what is the LCM? LCM is cos A. If it is same, cos how much is? Cos A 1 time. 1 into 1 is 1, right? Cos how much is cos? Cos 1 time. So 1 into sin A is sin A. So plus sin A. Clear this? This is important for 2 marks. 2 or 3 marks. Important. Clear this? Yes, now next is C. And rearrange this. See how to read is 1 minus sin A divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A divided by cos A, right? So yes, now how to simplify? Alright, 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A divided by cos A into cos A. It is equal to what? Cos square A. Cos A into cos A is cos square A. Now see your numerator. You can identify now, right? 1, this is also 1. Sin, this is also sin. Here is minus, here is plus. Means which formula here? A plus B, A minus B. So that is equal to what? A square minus B square. So 1 square minus sin square A divided by cos square A. By using which formula here? Using A plus B into A minus B, which is equal to to a square minus b square. So that is equal to, it is also repeated, 1 minus sin a, 1 plus sin a, that form is also repeated 3 to 4 times, right? Yes, now 1 square minus sin square means what? That type also repeated. What is that 1 square minus sin square? That is identity which is equal to cos square a. See from your formula list, divided by cos square a. So numerator cos square a, denominator cos square a, which is equal to 1, which is equal to RHS side. Therefore LHS side is equal to RHS side. Therefore write the conclusion. Therefore what is the conclusion? Secant a into 1 minus sin a into secant a plus tan a, which is equal to 1. Next question. Prove that cot A minus cos A divided by cot A plus cos A, which is equal to cosecant A minus 1 divided by cosecant A plus 1. Now take your LHS side. LHS side is cot A minus cos A divided by cot A plus cos A. So now tell me which method we can apply here. Is it possible to use identity? No, right? So not possible because it is cot A, not cot square. This is cos A, not cos square. Similar. Now second one is it possible to apply this one? What? Rationalization. So rationalization is possible. Numerator by denominator, right? So but if you apply rationalization method, so I'll apply it and see. I'll do that side because we don't get the answer here easily if you use rationalization. For that different method it is there. So just if you have in problem, if it is numerator by denominator, what is the normal method? Normal method is to apply is rationalization. Once I use that and see whether I get answer or not, then you come to know how to solve trigonometric questions. That only I told, practice more and more questions, then you get idea to how to solve questions. Okay, so here numerator by denominator. So you are normally applying what method? It is rationalization. So it is cot A minus cos A divided by cot A plus cos A, right? Numerator by denominator. So go for rationalization. Just I am trying this. So what is your rationalization? Cot A minus cos A divided by cot A minus cos A, right? Yes. That is equal to cot A minus cos A, cot A minus cos A. A multiplication. A minus B, that means cot A minus cos A, cot A minus cos A. Same it is repeated. You can write as cot A minus cos A whole square. After that you can apply this formula. Which one? Which formula? A minus B whole square. So otherwise I will multiply like this. Otherwise I will keep answer this cot A minus cos A. Otherwise I will multiply cot A into cot A is cot square A. Cot A into cos A is minus cot A into cos A. Next minus cos A into cot A plus cos A into cos square A. Right? Numerator binomial simplification. Cot A into cot A, cot square A, cot A into minus cos A into cot A, minus into minus plus cos A into cos A is cos square A. Divided by denominator. After rationalization your method is A plus B, A minus B. So A plus B is cot square A minus cos square A. Right? Now how to simplify this one? So here it is cot square A minus 2 times cot A cos A plus cos square A. Right? Cot A cos A minus cos A cot A means 2 times divided by cot square A minus cos square A. Now simplification. How to simplify this one? Is it possible to use identity here? No. Cot square is what? Cosecant square A minus 1. Cos square A is what? 1 minus sin square A. So is it possible to get in this form cosecant A minus cot A? No, right? That is not possible. It is possible, but it takes very lengthy method. That is possible to get answer in that form also, but it is very lengthy. Okay, and it is complicated. After practicing so many problems, then only you can solve such type of question. That means in that method you can solve. Understood? No? Then that means you get idea what to use, where to use, which identity to use to get that formula. Okay, now I'll tell you. Understood? No? So if you use rationalization for that, that will be complicated. It is very difficult to get that answer. Very difficult to get answer. It is possible. See here, cosecant is there, no? So cot square, change it to cosecant square. Next, cot and cos. Cot is what? Cos divided by sin into cos c. So that comes as cos square a and now. So okay. So leave that. So that is very lengthy and complicated. So rationalization is not possible for that case, right? So identity is not possible, rationalization also not possible, and it is very difficult to get answer. So two methods are not possible. Which is your next method? Next method is applying definition. That is cot A. What is your cot A? It is cos A divided by sin A, right? Cos A divided by sin A minus cos A whole divided by, cot means cos A divided by sin A plus cos A plus cos A. Clear? So apply formula. Cot A is cos A divided by sin A minus sin A, cos A divided by, cot A is cos A divided by sin A plus cos A. So now next, how to simplify this? See this, I will write it as cos A divided by sin A plus, minus cos A divided by 1. Is it right? Yes. The whole divided by cos A divided by sin A plus cos A divided by 1. Right? Now, if you take LCM, again it is complicated. LCM. What is LCM of numerator? Sin A into 1 is what? Sin A. Right? Next is multiplication and all. So that is complicated. Instead of that, see, here is cos A divided by sin A minus cos A divided by sin A. So what is there outside here? We can take cos A is common from numerator, right? So try to understand. Take cos A from numerator. So if you take cos A from numerator, what is left in numerator? Cos A is outside. Here what is left? 1. 1 divided by sin A. 1 divided by sin A minus. So from this cos divided by 1. Cos is outside. I took outside. What is left here? 1. So 1 divided by 1 is, it is equal to 1. Numerator simplification. Similarly, denominator. Cos A divided by sin A plus cos A divided by 1. So numerator, what is outside? Again common. What is common here? Cos is common. So take cos outside. What is left here from this? Cos A divided by sin A. I took cos outside. What is left here? 1. So 1 divided by sin A. 1 divided by sin A plus, here cos A divided by 1. So cos is outside. So what is left here? 1 divided by 1. It is 1. Right? So numerator, it is how to read? Cos A into. After this cos into sin. Cos A into this bracket. Cos A into this bracket. So I can cancel this cos A and cos A. Is it possible to cancel 1 by sin A and 1 by sin A? No, because 1 sin A minus, next sin is plus and minus. So not possible to cancel. So now what is left? 1 divided by sin A minus 1 divided by 1 divided by sin A plus 1. Right? So now what is 1 divided by sin A? Here your formula. 1 divided by sin A is cosecant A minus 1 divided. 1 divided by sin A is what? Cosecant A plus 1. So easily you got which is equal to RHS side. Therefore LHS side is equal to RHS side. Therefore LHS side is equal to RHS side. That is cot A minus cos A divided by cot A plus cos A equal to that. Understood now how to apply that method? Usually it looks like rationalization, but if you apply rationalization that comes as complicated to get that answer. So stop that method. Once first try this rationalization. Next that is very difficult to get answer what we need. So if it is not possible rationalization, use definitions of that cot and all. Next use definitions. Next is simple simplification which is equal to RHS side. So this is important, very important for 2 and 3 marks. Very important, 2 and 3 marks. Next question is prove that sin theta divided by cot theta plus cosecant theta minus sin theta divided by cot theta minus cosecant theta divided equal to 2. Now take LHS side. By seeing problem only you can understand, right, which method to apply. So now tell me which method to apply. It is LCM, right? So now take LCM. So what is the LCM? See, cot theta plus cosecant theta, cot theta minus cosecant theta. LCM is what? Cot theta plus cosecant theta into cot theta minus cosecant theta. This type of questions is solved in quadratic equation, right? Simplification, right? So now next numerator. How to get numerator? This and this cancels. So sin theta into this one. That is sin theta into cot theta minus cosecant theta minus this and this cancels. What is left here? Sin theta into what? Cot theta plus cosecant theta. After this, what is the next method? Next method is bracket simplification. Sin theta into cot theta is sin theta into cot theta. Sin theta into cosecant theta is plus into minus is minus. Sin theta into cosecant theta. Next minus into cot theta is minus sin theta into cot theta. Next this one minus into minus plus, sorry, minus plus is minus. So sin theta into cosecant theta, right? Sin theta into cosecant theta whole divided by. Now how to simplify the denominator? See the denominator, cot theta, cosecant theta, and here plus and minus means which formula to use? A plus b, a minus b. So what is an a plus b, a minus b? A square minus b square. So it comes as cot square theta minus cosecant square theta. Cot square theta minus cosecant square theta. So now numerator, see something is cancelling. What is that cancelling here? It is sin theta cot theta plus sin theta cot theta minus, that cancels. Now here this is minus. Now here minus sin theta cosecant theta minus sin theta cosecant theta. Same it is repeated 2 times. Otherwise you know that the sin theta into cosecant theta, what is your answer? Sin theta into cosecant theta is, what is your answer? It is equal to 1, right? So means it is minus 1. So minus sin theta into cosecant theta. Search from your formula list. Ideal sin theta into cosecant theta is 1. This is cancelled. Minus again sin theta into cosecant theta is what? 1 divided by. Now cot square theta minus cosecant square theta. From your formula list to search. Is it there cot square theta minus cosecant square theta? That I will see here. Using first one, what we use here, sin theta into cosecant theta, which is equal to 1. The next is cot square theta minus cosecant square theta. Do you have formula? Cot square and cosecant square. What is the identity? It is 1 plus cot square theta which is equal to cosecant square theta, right? So I need cot square theta minus cosecant square theta. So cot square theta, take this cosecant square to that side. So what will get here? Cot square theta, this plus minus cosecant square theta, and this one comes to this side. So that is equal to what? Plus 1 changes as minus 1. Understood? So here is identity cot square theta and cosecant square theta. So cot square and cosecant square, we have the identity. That identity is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Now by this, is it possible to change in this form cot square theta minus cosecant square theta equal to I need? Is it possible to get? Yes. Cot square, keep it in this side. Bring this cosecant square to with the cot square plus cosecant square changes as minus cosecant square theta. I need cot square theta minus cosecant square theta equal to. This is one is extra. So that one take to that side of equal side. So plus 1 changes as minus 1. So what is your answer here? Minus 1. That is by using identity. So now next numerator. Minus 1 and minus 1 is how much here? Minus 2 divided by minus 1. Right? So minus and minus cancel. It is equal to 2 divided by 1. 2 divided by 1 means how much it is? Always equal to 2, which is equal to RHS side. So therefore, LHS side is equal to RHS side. So therefore, write the conclusion. What is their conclusion? That is equal to 0. This is important. Important 2 or 3 marks. Normally 3 marks important question.